Oh, Oakville, Louisiana. I found it. Okay. There's Oakville, I guess. There's Alliance, and Oakville's up here. It said Oakville. Okay, so just to be clear, Alliance is here, Oakville is up here. Alliance is here, Oakville is up here, and it says, Alliance to Oakville floodgate, evacuate immediately. So they're telling people who are between, where did I go? They have too many maps open. People between here and here to leave. Steve says this floodgate is located on 23 southbound near the 23 Oakville Street intersection. Oakville Street. Oh. There's Oakville Street. There's 23. I guess somewhere near here there's a floodgate. Somewhere. I don't know where it is. Somewhere here there's a floodgate. Oh, is that the floodgate right there? Is that it? Do you close this thing? I don't know. Looks like something that can be closed. But they said that the water was heading north. Didn't they? Water is heading northbound from Alliance. There's been the failure wasn't at the Oakville floodgate. Sorry. So what they're saying is that the failure was down in Alliance, and they want people who are below the floodgate to evacuate to pass the floodgate. Now where am I? I'm so confused. Yes, there's Alliance. So there was a failure, I guess maybe of a levee down here, and the water is flowing, I guess, north, and they want everybody who lives in here. Now there are people who live in here. There are houses here, so they want anyone who lives in this area to just go north. It sounds like, because the water is flowing north. Is that what they said? Actually, there's a bunch of houses here. There's all these houses here. All these houses. That's all in the evacuation area, I think, if I'm reading this right.